Good morning. This is Oliver, and I just wanted to do a short online demo of my latest app, the Iris Log Viewer. I'm sure you're all familiar with the messages log page on the system management portal under system logs, under system operation, where we can see alerts displayed. This is the online demo that was deployed yesterday. You see an alert, its system appears to have failed over. I usually see this when I deploy a new container. Below that, we see messages.log, messages from January. I believe that's when InterSystems actually built the base image that this app was built from. Can go to the bottom to see what happened recently. However, a challenge here is if I need to obtain a copy of the messages.log file, for example, to send it to InterSystems for their analysis, I don't have a way of getting to the file deployed in the cloud. For my daily work, it is possible to reach the file in a container, but it is cumbersome. I have to jump through many steps to get to it. So the solution is Iris Log Viewer. Here's the page deployed on the online demo. It shows same information. The alerts are currently hidden, but I can show the alerts. Can see the one alert on top in red. I have two display options. I split out the different fields like date, time, a job number, and the level of the log entry. 0 is something very routine, and 2 or 3 are things that are a little more severe. You can see this format or the raw just shows one column, very long, spread across the line, showing the entire text. I actually like the clean look of the default portal, so possibly consider hiding, turning off the lines here because I don't think they're really helping. But for this contest, I don't expect to win any prizes based on the appearance. I know it's not exactly pretty, this page, but important thing is here is a link to download. And by just clicking on this, I already downloaded a copy of the messages.log file. Messages.log could not be downloaded because it's blocked in the browser. But this app makes a copy and that can be downloaded. The other things on here, if messages.log gets big, I may want to see things that are more severe, like levels 2 and 3. And then I'll click the raw display again. It shows me what has happened, what's recorded in messages.log with a severity of 2 or 3. Not much happened on my online demo since yesterday. I can turn off the alerts. Now I just see the one entry. I can clear the filters if I want to start a new search. I could say I want to see what happened since yesterday. So I can go in here, choose yesterday. think I need to choose the time. Let's say yesterday about this time. Okay, clear today. Oh, yesterday. Don't know, there isn't a control to say, okay, this is the date and time I want. I guess I'll just click out of it, and there it is. And I can click display again. And not sure if this is correct. Why do I not see the correct dates on this side? Maybe I'll have to review this. Maybe a bug. Anyways, that's what I wanted to show, and I hope you find this idea worthwhile. And that's it for now. Until next time, this is it from Oliver. Bye-bye.